Made it possible, ladies and gentlemen. जिस गाने पे पूरी दुनिया इस समय डांस कर रही है उसको जिन्होंने बनाया और ऐसे न जाने कितने सारे चार्ट बस्टर्स एवरी सिंगल टाइम वो एक नया बेंचमार्क अपने लिए क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. द वन द ओनली संतोष नारायणन साहब के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. यू गॉट टू गिव इट टू हिम ऑफ कोर्स. सो प्लीज आइए. वेलकम सर. संतोष सर ऑफ कोर्स. छोटी उम्र में he's directed some of the finest in the industry, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Karthik Subbaraj sir. Welcome sir. Thank you so much. Please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं कुछ फिल्मों के नाम ले रहा हूं. आपने बताना है क्या चीज कॉमन है इनमें. RRR, गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी, PS1, PS2, ड्रीम गर्ल 2, जवान, स्त्री 2, छावा. सर सारे ब्लॉकबस्टर्स आप ही लेके जाओगे क्या? ऑफ कोर्स पेन स्टूडियोज ये नाम जोड़ा है उन सब के साथ. कुछ को प्रोड्यूस किया, कुछ को प्रेजेंट किया टू द एंटायर वर्ल्ड. गिव इट अप फॉर डॉक्टर जयंती लाल गड़ा फ्रॉम पेन स्टूडियोज. And now, to invite on stage, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that all of us have been waiting for. A powerhouse performer known for his dedication and transformative roles in Indian cinema. And of course, for all the dedication जो कि उन्होंने फिल्मों के लिए दिखाया है. किसी भी भाषा की फिल्म में उन्होंने काम किया हो, हर बार he's given it his 120%. The one, the real Surya sir in the house. Superstar is here. बैठिए sir. मैं इसको थोड़ा घुमा लेता हूं because मुझे I'll have to look at you all to ask these questions. मेरी तरफ से भी इतना ही प्यार. ठीक है, अब एक काम करते हैं. थोड़े से प्यार के लिए, सूर्या सर की बातें सुनने के लिए we'll just keep done. ठीक है, all right. सूर्या सर, first things first, retro. When this word comes to your mind, इस फिल्म से थोड़ा हटके, what comes to to your mind rather when you hear this word, retro?
A very good evening to all the senior journalists, friends from the media, all my lovely photographers, and Anbana Thambi Tangaigal ellarkum, to all the lovely Anbana fans. Thank you, sir, for this lovely evening. Thank you so much, Kada sir. Retro, you asked how do you connect with retro? When you ask, you hear the word retro. Retro is going back in time. Tamil vandu pinnokki paarthal appdin solluvaanga. All the lovely memories maybe which you want to hold on to, cherish in life, and where you're trying to figure out life, what's going to happen, which path to be taken, what to do. I think I'll go back to my college days, which will always be evergreen for all of us. With so many thoughts, so many friends, so many paths taken, and what to do in life. You are actually starting from zero. I think those days, without much responsibility, you really cherish all those memories. And maybe I would love to go back to my college days. I think I learnt a lot after school. In college, I really learnt a lot about the world, and maybe that gave me that energy, that push. Like, okay, I've done my commerce, loyal BCom panna. After BCom, I don't have I'm not a part of a board of directors, or I'm not going to sit on a cash register. I don't know what to do next. So I have to start from scratch. அந்த வார்த்தை கேட்டிருப்பீங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். So who's going to give me that 100 rupees? And life began from there. I think those are very, very strong, fresh memories, and you took all those risks. And today, God has been kind. And யார் சாமி நீங்கெல்லாம்? என்ன அன்பு இது? என்ன அன்பு இது? அடிக்கடி நம்ம பார்த்துக்கிறது இல்லை. நிறைய வாட்டி நான் உங்களுக்கு பார்த்தது இல்லை. நிறைய பேர் தான் முதல் வாட்டி பார்க்குறேன். பட் ஒரு டியூஸ்டே ஈவினிங் இவ்வளோ பேர் வந்து இவ்வளோ நேரம் கொடுத்து தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் மேக்கிங் திஸ் ஈவினிங் வெரி வெரி ஸ்பெஷல் மீன்ஸ் அ லாட் தேங்க்யூ
So thank you for all this जोश. I would say thank you so much for this because मतलब सब में ऐसी एनर्जी कहाँ से सर? मतलब इतनी अच्छी बातें कर रहे हो और तुम लोग का जोश और आगे लेके जा रहा है उन सबको. You know, basically it's nostalgia, right? The good old days, and this is some good old cinema, I would say. You know, modern, अपना classic hero with that modern touch. So Karthik sir, this one's for you. Thank you so much for being here and welcome to Amchi Mumbai, first of all. How does it feel to be here, sir, with all these lovely journalists and, of course, the fans?
Thank you. Thank you. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். I'm so happy to see you all here, and I think this is my first like a promotional event. I'm coming for a film to Mumbai, yes. And I think so. The energy is great, and we are ready with retro. It's coming in another 2 days. So we're all like hoping, and we are very eager to see how you all going to like retro. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
Karthik sir, we're saying that romance is the soul of retro. Talk to us about that aspect of this.
Yeah, I mean, so basically this film has a tagline called Love, Laughter and War. The core of the film starts with love, but there is also like enough action and also an emotional quotient to the film. And I'm so far I have not revealed much of what the storyline is about because we as a team want to give a wholesome experience when you're watching it in theater, and I hope they will all like it when they see it.
I'm sure, sir, the response is here for everybody to see. Jayanti Lal sir, this one's for you, Dr. Saab. सच में मतलब फिल्मों के डॉक्टर हो गए हैं आप, है ना? जितनी फिल्मों के मैंने यहाँ पे नाम लिया, RRR से लेके गंगूबाई काठियावाड़ी, PS1, PS2, जवान, स्त्री 2, छावा, क्या करके मानेंगे सर? पेन स्टूडियोज. मुझे बताएं सर, हाउ डू यू लाइक मैनेज इट एवरी सिंगल टाइम? एंड इस फिल्म का क्या वो एक एस्पेक्ट था जिसने आपको इतना अपील किया कि मुझे इसको प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए पूरी दुनिया को?
सबसे पहले थैंक यू सब लोग को ये आने के लिए, क्योंकि ये सूर्या जी का प्यार दिखता है कि इतने लोग आए हैं. अदरवाइज ट्रेलर तो पहले रिलीज हो चुका था, फिर भी इतने लोग आए हैं, बहुत बड़ी बात है. मैं सोचा था ये अपनी इवेंट मुंबई का नाम ना खराब कर दें.
सुन लो ना, प्यार ही मिल रहा है ना, सुनो तो.
थैंक यू. पहली बात तो मुझे इस फिल्म के लिए जो अट्रैक्शन था, मुझे थैंक यू सूर्या जी को, हमको एसोसिएट किए इस फिल्म के साथ. इनकी टीम पवन, कार्तिक एंड राजा, ये मिलने में थोड़े लेट हो गए, अदरवाइज हम लोग जल्दी बोर्ड पे आते. और ये सूर्या जी की फिल्में हमने बहुत सारी सैटेलाइट, डिजिटल, हर जगह पर स्ट्रीमिंग करी है, ब्रॉडकास्टिंग करी है. इनकी फिल्में जो टीआरपी लाती है वो हमारे हिंदी के हीरो के बराबर लाती है. ये सैटेलाइट के किंग है. और जैसे
So I think this is the love, इसीलिए कहीं ना कहीं ये भी एक एस्पेक्ट है दैट हमने सोचा, ऑफ कोर्स.
तो ये फिल्म मतलब हमारे लिए इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि इसकी स्क्रीनिंग भी अच्छी हो रही है, टाइमिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है और रन भी अच्छा मिल रहा है हमको, और इसकी बहुत बड़ी रिलीज़ होगी. और फिल्म के साथ जितनी अभी बज़ आई है जो साउथ से, वो मुझे लगता है हम लोग साउथ से नॉर्थ में बड़े कर देंगे.
क्या बात है, he said it. Dr. Jayanti Lal Gada, ladies and gentlemen, Pen Studios से. Now moving on to the person जिनके चक्कर में जोश और डबल ट्रिपल और ज्यादा हो गया है, संतोष नारायणन साहब यार. सर ऐसे कोई करता है क्या सर? अभी स्टेज टूट जाता सर, इतनी पावर लगा दी हर किसी ने यहाँ पे. व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस एंड व्हाट अ सॉन्ग सर. कनिमा की बात सबसे पहले वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट. How did it all happen? 40 million plus. और ये सिर्फ ये तो काउंट किए हुए हैं. I don't know कितने और millions and millions of hits होंगे sir. Talk to us about this song.
எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் ஹேவிங் மீ. First of all, I should thank Karthik Subbaraj and Surya sir for the opportunity. And it's always special working with Karthik because he somehow, I'm already crazy in the studio. He brings out a special craziness out of me. Kanima is, for me personally, it was the celebratory song of the album. That's how I looked at it. Of course, there are other songs too, but it was in a different space the day before release. It had different lyrics, a different music, and the video was already shot, and I suddenly felt like there was something else that can happen in the song, and thanks to these crazy boys, they let me do it. Yeah. And then we ended up having this version of Kanima, and it's very satisfying as a musician, and our whole team is happy. All the, for example, the brass players who played in the song, they are all play in the local bands, and they are so happy that they're getting a lot of work around this, which is so satisfying. And I'm seeing all the crazy reels happening, and some of them are like far better than the original and all, so it's just amazing. Thank you.
So I've just got to know that you changed something in Kanima one day before the release. Is it true?
Yeah. We changed the lyric and
Why would you do that, sir?
because I felt like the video was so good and the music wasn't that working at all for me personally, and Karthik was fine with it, but I was not too happy with how it was looking. I was like, oh, this is so bad. And then ended up changing. I was just explaining that now. So yeah, I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity, and hopefully we'll have more stuff coming. We have a lot of songs coming closer to the release of the movie. There's a side B of the album coming up. Right. We have released side A, and side B is coming up soon.
Proper, typical, old school, sir. वो cassettes में होता था ना. Side A, side B. All right, amazing. Whatever we've heard up till now is brilliant. Surya sir, आपसे सुनना चाहेंगे. Talk to us about this young director here, who's really हटके, you know, because anything and everything retro, उसमें नीचे comments में लिख के आ ही रहा है कि नहीं यार, इनकी style ना, it's सबसे हटके. He does what nobody else can. Talk to us about him, sir.
Yeah, so every time you need a disruptor in the industry, somebody who will come and change the tone. He has a very unique voice, be it the screenplay, be it visuals, making characters behave in a certain way on the screen. He's always done that from the beginning. He's one person who can bend genres. It can be a thriller and a horror, it can be a gangster story and a dark comedy. It can be about gender equality. You will not be able to predict what he's coming up with. And I really love the way each and every character is like, the way they behave. Not only the main protagonist character, but also each and every character will have a unique style, unique way of delivering choice of words. And of course, he's a visual director. You have a scene paper and the scene is going to start this way, but suddenly he'll surprise you with whose perspective the scene is starting, where he's going to put the camera, and where he's going to start a scene. The dialogues, everything is a little unique, and he'll be like this, and suddenly he will surprise you. Suddenly he will challenge you. Will you be able to do this? And suddenly you have to be ready. It's not like you can be prepared. Right. Sweet surprises happen, and they all know Karthik Subbaraj padamna eppadi irukum abindru. So I always want to be a part of this journey. I want to work with him for the longest time, and after 4 years of discussing, now we have a release.
4 years, sir. Imagine, मतलब इतने सारे सालों से कमाल की performances देते आए, फिर भी समय लेते हैं. That says a lot about his films. Of course, coming back to Karthik sir, as we said, romance is the soul of retro, but we have to talk about that action, sir. Stylized hai, at the same time it's very real. So how did you manage that to keep that balance? We have to talk about that balance also. So tell me how was it?
Yeah, so in this film, I mean, in the screenplay, format, I mean, in the screenplay itself demanded a lot of action in the film, and also like
अरे मैं भी तो वही बोल रहा हूं, हिट होने वाली है, लेकिन सुन तो लो. अरे गजब.
Okay, thank you.
She just said, मुझे आंख देखना है, is what she said. Oh. And मैं आपको एक चीज बता दूं, यह स्टाइल की बात नहीं है, लेकिन सूर्या सर को हाई फीवर था, उसके बावजूद आप सबसे मिलने के लिए ही इज हियर. वाओ, वाओ सर. क्रेज की बात हो तो दिस इज सर, दिस इज समथिंग एल्स. कार्तिक सर, वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्शन, ऑफ कोर्स रियल एंड स्टाइलिश अवतार में जो दिख रहे हो.
yeah, this film has a, இந்த படத்தில் வந்து அந்த ஆக்ஷன் சீக்வன்சஸ் வந்து ஒரு ஸ்பெஷலான ஒரு மார்ஷியல் ஆர்ட்ஸ் ஃபார்ம் வந்து ரொம்ப சார் வந்து சூப்பராக பண்ணியிருக்காரு. அண்ட் வி நீடட் அ ரியல் அந்த ஆக்ஷன் டு லுக் லைக் ஸோ ரியல். ஸோ தட்ஸ் வை வி ஹேட் அ ஸ்டண்ட் மாஸ்டர் ஃப்ரம் தாய்லாண்ட். ஹிஸ் நேம் இஸ் கெச்சா. And I hope the action sequences in the film will give definitely a new and ஒரு மாதிரி நல்ல எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் கொடுக்கும்னு ஐம் ஜஸ்ட் ஹோப்பிங். ஸோ ஆக்ஷன் பிளேஸ் a very important aspect of this film, and we have concentrated more on it, and then we have as a team we have worked to bring out like a really good action sequences, and all, I mean, major credits goes to the stunt master and also Surya sir, because he went for training to Thailand to learn some martial arts thing and all that, and I'm hoping it will be good.
I'm sure सर मजा आने वाला है जब इसको बड़े पर्दे पे देखेंगे. डॉक्टर जयंती लाल गाड़ा साहब, यू नो काफी अरसे से you've seen a lot of films, आपने उनको रिलीज किया है, प्रोड्यूस किया है. रेट्रो की जब हम बात कर रहे हो, कहीं ना कहीं नॉस्टैल्जिया आ जाता है. एक वो होता है ना, वो क्लासिक हीरो हमारा, एंड दैट इज द अवतार जिसमें हम सूर्या सर को यहाँ देखने वाले हैं. सो वही था जिस वजह से आपने बोला कि हाँ यार मुझे इस फिल्म के साथ जुड़ना है.
रेट्रो टाइटल ही बोलता है कि ये फिल्म क्या है, तो वो तो पहले ही क्लियर था, लेकिन उसके बावजूद कार्तिक और सूर्या जी जुड़े. कार्तिक ने भी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी पिक्चरें दी है, और जिसमें सूर्या जी हो, एक्शन ना हो, ऐसी फिल्म हो ही नहीं सकती. तो हमें जुड़ना ही था. हम लेट हो गए क्योंकि ये राजा जी को मिलने में हम लेट हो गए. तो इनकी फिल्म में एक्शन होना ही होना है, और ये सैटेलाइट पे सुपरस्टार ऑलरेडी है, तो हमको जुड़ना ही था.
संतोष सर, टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ म्यूजिक हियर, बिकॉज रोमांस भी है, एक्शन भी है, यू नो इट्स दैट टिपिकल फिल्म जो हम सब देखना पसंद करते हैं. सो व्हाट वाज द मोस्ट चैलेंजिंग पार्ट फॉर यू एज अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर फॉर दिस?
I think it's just a time crunch. Otherwise, I would just keep working till the day of release if I'm let. Otherwise, with Karthik Subbaraj, I'm always I feel like I'm allowed to express myself however I want to. Sometimes he even pushed me even harder and more to go even more crazier in some spaces, and I'm actually very thankful for having a wonderful start with T Series here. It's my first association with them, and it's been amazing. They've done an amazing job of presenting this to the wider audience, and it's been the reach has been crazy, and I think for the music to help the film in any way possible before release is a huge advantage. All of us will know that, because it's so hard to market things in real life. So I'm very grateful to T Series, the whole team, Bhushan sir and Pooja. They've all been great. And yeah, basically most of the weight off my shoulders were taken off by an amazing music supervisor, which is also Karthik Subbaraj. He's crazy good. He would tell me when to stop and what kind of music might be replacing this and all. It's so awesome. And thanks to my team, and especially Mr. Rakib Alam, who wrote all the songs in Hindi. Thank you, Rakib bhai. It's been amazing working with you.
Wow. Talking about songs, one last question to Surya sir. Sir, we know you are a brilliant dancer, you know. Acting के अलावा नहीं मैं वो नहीं कह रहा हूँ. कौन सा सॉन्ग था सर जिसको शूट करने में you had सबसे ज़्यादा fun? And how was it, you know, getting into this old world, like wo classic hero avatar? Talk to us about that, sir.
ஸோ தமிழ்லையா ஓகே ரெண்டு பேரும் இங்கிலீஷ்ல போயிட்டு அப்புறம் நம்ம ஊருக்கு வந்துடுறேன் I think we have some amazing numbers in the film, and every sequence is very different. But since you asked something which is very close to me is we have a single shot for 15 minutes, and in that we dance, we fight, we argue, and so many events happen in those 15 minutes. So the entire star cast should be able to dance, should be able to fight, should be able to have conversations, and the camera will keep rolling. And it's on the ground level, we go upstairs, we go to the balcony, we go to the basement, and so many things happen. It's an emotional scene. So you ask for it, everything is there in one single shot. So if you ask for a dance number, which you have to manage between scenes, the song and a stunt sequence, I think that moment, the practice, everybody want to give their best. And we also have a debut dancer here, a dancer who took the entire spotlight. So the single shot வந்து எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்ச ஷாட். அதுல வந்து கனிமா தான் படத்தோட பிகினிங்ல வரும். அந்த கனிமா வர சீக்வென்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு சிங்கிள் ஷாட். அதுல சாங் சீன் ஃபைட் எல்லாம் கலந்து வரும். So that will be a special moment for all of us in theater நினைக்கிறேன்.
All right, so first is when we'll get to see this movie on the big screens, of course. And before we wrap up this entire conversation, I'd like to invite on stage two very important people, ladies and gentlemen. They are the co-producers on this, of course. 2D Entertainment say we have Rajsekhar sir with us. Please give it up for him. The man who stood like this pillar हम सब के साथ यहाँ पे इस फिल्म के क्रू के साथ. Thank you so much, sir. And Stone Bench say Karthikeyan sir, thank you so much for being here with us. And of course, we have this brilliant actor with us. We have to talk to him. Actor Vidu sir, please, you have to come up on stage. Give it up for him. Rajsekhar sir, I have a quick question for you. You know, 2D Entertainment is something that is always talked about, content-driven cinema. Compelling cinema, you know, kahin na kahin there's a message. They won't let me complete. Give us an insight into your journey of retro, of working with this Kamal ka team, sir. Talk to us about it.
Good evening, everyone. Anbana fans, nalla irkingla? Thank you so much. Thank you, press, media, photographers, everyone. And thank you, Nikhil.
Thank you so
Great
much.
evening. We know Gadaji for the past 10 years. I've met him before 10 years. But this is the first time we have joined together. And I hope this experience will be great. Gadaji, thank you so much for organizing such a nice event, bringing everyone together. And I have to talk about the 2D's association with Stone Bench. So again, this is the first time 2D is associating with a co-producer, Stone Bench.
Whoa.
Karthikeyan Sandhanam, my good friend. We are all very excited for day after tomorrow's release, and hope you all will enjoy in big screen. Thank you. And at this point of time, I have few names to thank. My director, Karthik Subraj, my music director, Santosh Narayanan. Last but not the least, my producer, Surya and Jyotika. And my entire team in 2D, from Manoj to our entire team, my production controller, Mr. Senthil, Banu, and Satya, Karthi, and everyone in the team, and Stone Bench, Mr. Ashok, and my chief of promotion, Bala. Bala, are you here? Where are you? Come on to the stage. because he has been working very hard in this film, in the promotions. But I have never thanked him. Thank you, Bala. So few people we always forget till the last day, and this is the last day of promotion. I have to thank him. And Pawan from Stonebench. Thank you all. It's a great evening, and we are wrapping up the promotions with this. Onga Enapa?
Exactly.
Thank you.
Exactly. Stone bench. जो कह रहे हो ना, तो sir के पास आता हूँ. So quickly, you have to talk about this collaboration. Of course, as he said, first time coming together. So talk to us about it, sir.
எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். This is a very big stage for us, and first of all, thanks to the media people who are here, all the press and journalists. It's actually a privilege for all of us, and for us personally, it's the first time that we are addressing some media and journalists and the people over here in Mumbai. Thanks to Gadaji for giving us this opportunity. And like Sir Raja Shekhar sir is the pillar for this to happen, and we've been together for almost 7 years, and this opportunity came up thanks to Raja sir for giving us this opportunity, thanks to Surya sir and Jyotika ma'am. And அண்ணா ஒரு 2 நிமிஷம் கொடுண்ணா, நானும் பேசிட்டு போயிடுறேண்ணா. So thanks to Karthik Subraj, my brother-in-law, for giving this opportunity as well, and Santosh Narayanan. We all are family, with who is my brother. Family has done a fantabulous job here. And thanks to my team as well, and 2D team. Sir has mentioned all the names. And special thanks to Pawan and Manoj sir, for making this happen. And thanks to T-Series for giving us an opportunity to collaborate for the first time. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, sir. It's really important to acknowledge, the contribution of each and every team member. Vidu sir, quickly, if you have to share your experience with all of us. ये बोलने नहीं देंगे ऐसे जी.
Hi. So I think I'll just take this opportunity quickly to thank my director, Surya sir. He's just the sweetest, and Santosh Narayanan sir, and of course producers Rajshekhar sir and Karthikeyan Santanam. And May 1st அன்னைக்கு தியேட்டரில் உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு தரமான படம் காத்திருக்கு. போய் பாருங்க, பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா பேசலாம். Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That's a wrap on this. We'll do a couple of pictures here. And एक चीज जिस पे सबसे ज्यादा तालियां बज रही है, मैं भी बोल देता हूँ, शायद बज जाए. Vanakkam. Thank you so much. I knew it. It's time for a quick picture with the team, ladies and gentlemen. We'll remove the chairs, yeah.
This is not fast enough. We will catch up. கத்துக்கிறோம் தலைவரே, கத்துக்கிறோம். Sincere thanks to all the entire star cast. நீங்க என்ன மட்டும் பார்க்க மாட்டீங்க. ஜெயராம் சார் இருக்காரு, பிரகாஷ் ராஜ் சார் இருக்காரு, பூஜா ஹெக்டே இருக்கு. So all the other actors also are going to come and really entertain you in this film. பாருங்க, May 1st படம் வந்துரும். வாடி வாசல் இந்த வருஷம் ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்.
God bless PVR on the 16th, I would say. Thank you so much. We'll do a quick picture with the entire team. Santosh sir, please. Santosh sir, no? I'll call Santosh. Thank you, Dr. Gala. Thank you so much. Karthik sir, and of course. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. You guys were super. 16th first को देख के अब देखिए कितना धमाल करने वाले हम लोग यहाँ पे. Thank you so much.